Yes. That means this should go off in a second. Second.
Sure, Joel.
Yep. Oh wait, that's a bleed through? Okay.
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Maine beginning at 12:55 p.m. and ending at 1:25 p.m. This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system for the state of Maine. If this were an actual emergency, official information would follow the alert tones.
I believe I heard a bleed through, so I'll count this 979. Yeah. And I had the scanner radio set to 1029. Let's go see if that went off before I shut this off. Should have. Had pretty gosh darn good reception.
You all ready?
Hold on.
Hold on.
Yep, monthly test. Cool. Yeah, I'm coming to help you. Hold on.